How to turn off audio and video call on Messenger. It's pretty quick and easy. So before starting the video, subscribe a YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your settings and scroll down until you find here the Messenger. You have to go to your Messenger settings and just below your photos you can see the microphones and camera. If you want to turn off your audio call, just switch off microphone and you will not able to receive any voice note on your Messenger. If you want to turn off video call on your Messenger, just switch off the camera. And this way you can turn off video and audio call on your Messenger. So just get out of here. If you want to mute any specific person on Messenger, just get out of here, go to your Messenger and select the person you want to mute on Messenger. I'm just randomly selecting this one. Go to their profile icon and just right to their profile you can see the mute option. Just hit that mute option and you can easily mute that person and you can easily get rid of their video and audio call. Hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye and thanks for watching.